Alright, hello everyone out there. This is DayTraderRockStar for Thursday, January 31st. Watch list. Man, what a day it was today, I tell you. Fed cut 50. Market shot up 200 points. Money was in the bag. Market sold off 200 points, went negative. Man, I tell you, if your head didn't spin and fall off your neck today, it was unbelievable, crazy, volatile day. You know, I was stressing all day. You need to take profits in this market. This is not your market. This is not the market your daddy used to trade. This is a totally, freaking bipolar market. It is unbelievable. It's all about taking profits. And even if you didn't take profits now, you kind of stuck. Maybe you didn't take profits in some things. Maybe you got in and you didn't realize the market was going to turn over so fast, and you're very bullish and whatever. Either way, the situation is what it is. So tomorrow's another day, and you're gonna pick up, pull up those bootstraps, and you're gonna get back into the trenches, and you're gonna trade. What we had today is, a very bearish signal. This sell-off here, this candlestick right here, it's called a shooting star. Shooting star. Now, for you new traders out there, technical traders, I'm always trying to educate some people out there with some good chart educational videos and stuff. I think it's very important that you learn your candlesticks. I use candlesticks. You use bar charts. You use what are the other charts? You use all different types of way. Point and figure charts, candlesticks. I like candlesticks. First of all, I'm a martial artist, so it's kind of Japanese, kind of traditional thing. It has a history behind it. And actually, the Japanese are pretty smart traders. They have to. Just do some research into the candlesticks. I'll give you a little educational video right now about the about this shooting star. So let's see. Let's go right into what the shooting star is here. Shooting star, basically, long candle, which we had today. A little box at the bottom, which is called the body. So you want the candle, the shadow, what's called, to be at least 2 times as long as the body part of it. It's actually a hammer. It's like it's like an inverted hammer. Hammer would be the opposite, with a little body up here and a long handle. It would be a hammer, and it would be a bullish sign. But this is a shooting star with a big shadow, with a big tail and a small little handle. And in the descriptions right here, I just wanted to put it down for you, just in case you wanted to maybe remember this and stuff. So. The real body is lower than the trading range, which is good. The criteria for this is the upper shadow should be at least 2 times the length of the body. Check. All right, check. The real body at the lower end is at the lower end of the trading range. Check. The color of the body is not important, although a black body should have a slightly more bearish implications. So we had a black body today, meaning that we went negative. There should be no lower shadow or a very small lower shadow. Check. The following day needs to be confirmed. To confirm the shooting star signal with a black candle, or better yet, a gap down with a lower close. So it looks like tomorrow we're actually going to get a gap down. My guess is we're going to get a gap down because we had some pretty weird earnings after the close. We had some Amazon coming out, and we had, what else was Starbucks. Both of those, as far as I know, were trading down, even though my internet crashed at the end of the day. That's why I went off the air, because internet in the whole friggin' island here went down. So it was down until about 6 o'clock. So I'm sorry about that, but it's back up now and running. So getting back to this shooting star here as you go. I do have some good books. I recommend, there's some recommended reading books. I'd highly recommend people getting some of these books and studying up. And if you have any questions, definitely email me, IM me, or whatever. So let's get into the watch list. Again, tomorrow's going to be a bearish day. I don't have much bullishness to go on. What I'm going to do is stick to the things that I think you need to pick up on some bounces here. S&P, the stocks index, or the semiconductors, are looking very good. I think we had a lot of great strength in Intel today, and I do believe Intel is going to come back. So let's take a look at Intel right now at the 60-minute chart. And I would be buying this Intel anywhere down around the $20 level. I would be picking this up. Hopefully, it's going to hold this $20 level. If not, we get down to about 1980. And I'm not talking the year, because I am a big 80s guy, but down around the 1980 area, right around here, you could look to pick this up. If we get a pullback that far, I'll be picking up some Intel no matter what tomorrow, and I like this one a lot. So let's move on. Intel. Here's one that I haven't talked about in a while, and I love this stock, ISRG, Intuitive Surgical. We're hitting the 200-day moving average. Now tomorrow, we're probably going to have a gap down, so we're going to probably go through this one. And I'm not sure, but I just want to start putting this one on my watch list. I'm starting to get a little attracted to this little baby, so I might walk up to it soon and pick it up. So I'm going to start putting this on my watch list, look for some strength during the day, have this chart up on my screen, and say, all right, baby, I'm going to be watching you. If you make any, any signals to me, I'm going to come over and, anyway. As you can tell, I had a little sangria party here again tonight. It's just been a good week, so we're going to continue on. BG went short today. I took a very small short, 30 shares. It actually ran up right after I got the short in there, but I do like this short, believe it or not. I have no idea what this bungs does. I call it the bunghole stock. I like this short, so I'm going to be watching this. I'm going to watch this on weakness. If it does come back down into my level, I'm going to continue adding on to the short. So just to give you a short idea here, Marvell. Here's a stock that actually was showing good strength today at the close. We held off. We didn't sell off into this close and stuff. We had not good consolidation right up to the 12.10 area. And if you look on the basically, if you look on that 15-minute chart, you see right there we have 12.10 as good resistance here. And if we get above that 12.10 area, this one might go a little higher. This one has been rumored and a lot of different at different times to be a takeout target. So you might want to watch this one closely. Marvell. Valero, I still like Valero, and I think I'm going to have an opportunity to get back in tomorrow. Again, held pretty good strength. If we do get a gap down, look for this one to rebound real fast. This, even though BHI and that sector was down, it kind of pulled this one back. I think tomorrow we're going to get a little buying opportunity in Valero Energy, so I'd also consider picking up a few shares of that. And the big one tomorrow is going to be Google. We have earnings out in Google, so again, we're probably going to get a gap down tomorrow. This is going to be money. This is going to be a money maker, no matter what. Where are we talking about it? We're going to trade the market tomorrow like rock stars. We're going to watch for relative strength stocks. We're going to trade stocks that are breaking out as the market's going down, and we're going to watch for reversals, pivot points, trend lines, everything. We're going to do all the right things. We're going to take profits. We're going to do it all, and then we're going to wait for the Google play. And now my advice is wait until the earnings come out, because if Google comes out and blows away earnings, you're going to be able to get in. This thing's going to, people have been looking for a savior. I want a hero. I'll be blasting that song tomorrow. So that might be our hero or might not be the hero. But either way, they're going to be a trade in this one. You want to save some money, you get in this one. Either way, you're going to get some big moves in it. 20, 30-point moves in Google. I'm looking forward to it. I hope you could join me tomorrow. DayTradingRadio.com. Some good news. I upgraded the server today, so no one's going to be locked out. I moved it up to 200 people. So for the people who got locked out and couldn't get to the radio today, don't worry tomorrow. Don't worry about getting up early or whatever and getting in. Should be plenty of room. Unless there's 200 people wanting to listen to the radio tomorrow, then you're going to be locked down. I'm going to have to upgrade it again. And that means people are going to have to start donating stuff because I'm starting to put out some serious cash here. But either way, things are good. The market's good. Trading's excellent. I'll see you all tomorrow. I'm going to go pour myself another glass of sangria and do a little research here. So good night, and I'll see you in the morning.